How to find unwanted file size at one place and how to delete them safely. Go to the official Jam Software TreeSize free page. Avoid unknown download websites. Go to Start Microsoft Store. Type TreeSize free. Then click Install. Open the downloaded setup file, click Next, accept the agreement, and complete the installation. Then run as administrator. Then select Dictionary, then select OS Drive, then double-click on C Drive. Now you can see the size of the folders. TreeSize will scan folders and show which folders are using the most space. Check the biggest folders first. Usually, large space may be inside Users, Downloads, Desktop, Videos, App Data, Temp, or old Windows Update folders. Click the arrow beside each folder to find the exact large folder or file. Right-click a large file or folder and choose Open File Location to check it before deleting. You can delete personal files you no longer need, like old downloads, videos, zip files, ISO files, duplicate files, or temporary files. After deleting files, empty the recycle bin to actually free the space. Right-click and TreeSize, permanently exclude selected item, S. Run TreeSize again to confirm how much space you recovered. Thanks for watching. If you feel it's worth, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.